Hey guys, we're back with another episode of Learning Laybacks. We've got a new camera, we've got a special guest, and today we're going to learn Layback Air Varial Front Rock and Roll. Let's go. So before you learn this trick, there's a few other tricks you want to learn how to do first. The first one is to drop in. Second, you want to learn how to do front side kick turns on the mini ramp. Third, make sure you do it in one of our Varsity Skate t-shirts. You can buy this on our web store. The link is going to be in the description below. And every single purchase goes and supports our nonprofit right here in Kansas City. Next, make sure you can do a layback frontside rock and roll, and it is episode 1 of our How to Skate Transition Learning Layback series. I'll put the link in the description down below. Make sure to go watch that one first. Next, it's going to help for you to know how to do a layback air frontside rock and roll, and it's the video right before this one. If you go and watch it and learn it, it's going to make this trick so much easier. So to learn a layback air varial frontside rock and roll, here's what you need to do. You're going to drop in, approach the mini ramp front side. You're going to do the same thing that you would for a layback air, and that's put your back hand down, thumb side up. You're going to grab with your front hand in slob position of the board, and as you scrape your tail up, you're going to move your front hand and move the entire board like a front shove. The easiest and best trick that I've found is if you keep your legs wide, it's going to be easier to make sure that you land on bolts when you let go. And so make sure to go up front side, grab in that slob position, turn your board, and after your board does that front side shove feeling, make sure your feet are wide, catch them on the bolts, and you'll land in that front side rock position. From there, all you're going to do is turn, look over your shoulder, and it's just a front side rock and roll out. So start to turn, let your front wheels come down over the coping, and then let go right away. And that's exactly how you do it. I hope it helped, and if it did help you, do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I've got at least one more trick tip we're going to do just like this for how to skate transition, and comment down below what else you'd like to see. If you want me to do some more basic transition tricks, I would love to be able to teach you how to do those as well. If you learn how to do this trick, make sure to copy the link, put it in the comments below. I love being able to see anytime you learn some of the tricks that I'm here to teach, but we've got at least one more of these coming up, so make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, share it, and let me know if it helped. I'll catch you next time, and as always, thanks for hanging.